What's up, guys? It's Flash back with some more charts in another video. Today we're going to go through just a handful of stocks that I have my eye on, and kind of depends which way the S&P goes. We'll see if oil breaks out, some uranium plays as well. So a good mixed bag, and can kind of play certain ones that the rest of the markets kind of take a liking towards. But starting off, we're going to go with Carvana on the weekly. And what I like about Carvana here is that there's kind of an inverse head and shoulders action right here. So it's at 52 bucks now. I would say if this breaks, this resistance line breaks, make it support, I think then that would enact this target, which is all the way up at about $860. A little bit far-fetched, but look at this thing run, back in 2018, 2019, 2020, 21. So it's proven that it can run. It's just a matter of if and when. So that's Carvana. Definitely have my eye on it. Next one is PBR. Again, I mentioned this in my oil plays video, but this is an oil play out of Brazil, and this one I've already kind of marked up with a bowl, some breakout lines, a 3-year moving average guideline, and then I took the previous fractal back in the early 2000s and threw it on here. So this one looks like it's already broken out. If oil looks like it's about to break out, so I imagine the inflation train is back, and this could be one that runs with oil, which would literally pay some nice dividends. As of right now, PBR pays a 16% dividend. I saw it up at 20, last month. So I think this fluctuates, but if you ride this, collect dividends along the way, reinvest those dividends, you're looking at something special. So not financial advice, but could be worth noting. Next play we have is UUUU Energy Fuels. It's a uranium play, and this one it's really kind of lagging some of the others in the uranium sector. This candle's not so friendly, but I think it really is just kind of consolidating in this bull pennant. This should, I think, if uranium continues to take shape, it's been down in the past couple of days, but I think this can be fruitful for the boys. So just bouncing off Ichimoku cloud, you don't want to see it go too much lower, but I've seen some of these stocks kind of bounce below the Ichimoku and still kind of pop up. So I would give this one a chance. Got to be patient with it. It's not going to happen overnight, but a good one that I'm keeping my eye on. Next, we have another oil play, TAL Corp, TAL. This is on the monthly. I mean, just a huge drop off here, and it's doing some sort of base. If you follow Patrick Kareem on Twitter from North Star Bad Charts, he talks about that reverse symmetry move. So, there's not much, support or resistance on the way down. I think if this one breaks out, again, with oil breaking out, there wouldn't be that much support resistance on the way up. This could run from 75 cents today all the way up to maybe 20, 30 bucks. So again, have my eye on it. Kind of worth noting, paying attention to. Next one, CPG, Crescent Point Energy Corp. Another one I kind of have my eye on. I had some lines on here, not sure where they went, but early breakout line right here, broken out, and then another horizontal breakout right here. Again, on the monthly, if we throw the 3-year moving average, it's just bouncing off of that 3-year moving average, and I believe on top of the Ichimoku cloud too. So healthy bounce, healthy consolidation, with oil soon to be breaking out. It looks like this one could run. Let's see if this one pays a dividend. 4%. So again, could pay some dividends for you. We'll see. But yeah, I like it. Kind of has that inverse head and shoulders look and feel to it as well. Last one I found is a biotech play, I believe. Symbol is LIFE, LIFE. Atir Pharma Inc. on the NASDAQ. This one just has like a nice bowl to it. We'll see if it holds up, but there's your breakout line, early breakout line, breakout back test, and then this is a longer term play, just like some of the other ones. Still has a lot of work to do in terms of getting over that 3-year moving average and getting through the cloud, which is thinning right here, so we'll see. But I would say this, along with Carvana, if the general market continues to break out the S&P, I think this one could do well too. So, still some time to think through this one. I would say if it continues, if it works its way up here into December of 2025, that's when I would probably get really interested. But a good buy low candidate. But we'll see. It's done a lot of damage. Not recommending this one at all, but good to keep the eye on. So those are just some stocks I'm watching for those interested in following along. I'll continue this series. If you like these, feel free to like, subscribe, and I'll be back with some more videos. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll talk to you soon.